What's up, you guys? And welcome back to another Calumet fishing video. So today we came back out here to O'Neill Forebay. But anyways, let me introduce you guys to Justin and Tang. This guy right here, this is Justin, and then this guy right here is Tang. So I'm gonna drop down their YouTube videos onto my description, so make sure you guys go and show them some love too. It's actually been a while, I haven't been here, so let's see how today goes. So today, the first stop for us is gonna be over here by the boat launch area, right here. As you guys can see, there's still seaweed out here, but then it's definitely not as bad as how it used to be. So let's hope for a good turnout, you guys. One rod, the Phoenix Maxim paired with the SLX DC, 3/16-ounce jig head paired with the Reaction Innovations Little Dipper right here. So this is what I'm going to be starting off with. Probably going to be throwing some top water too, so let's see how that goes. Let's get to the water, you guys, and let's go fishing, and let's hope for a good turnout. So follow along, guys. Catch you guys out there. Alright, you guys, you know what, since I don't see any fish activity over here yet, so I'm gonna start off with this booyah frog right here, since this area right here looks pretty promising for bass. So let's see how that goes over here. First time testing out this booyah lure right here, so there's actually a lot of seaweed along the shorelines right here, so let's see if any bass is around here. See baitfish running over there. Let's try over here by the dock over here. This little bass is right there. A whole bunch of them. Bass, bluegills. There's a ton of them right there. All those fish, little fish popping up right there. Those are definitely not the ones that I heard jumping though. Those little ones are checking out my lure. Alright guys, so we migrated from the boat launch, so we're gonna be trying this area right here first. Just gonna be casting the reaction animation. Probably try here a little bit, then we'll go over to the islands on the other side over there. Spade fish around here. Alright you guys, so we moved from the electric island over here. We see fish busting over here, so let's see how it goes over here. Haven't seen any in a big group yet, but they're busting on bait fish. Good thing we brought our waders. Definitely came prepared. A while ago when I was looking from the island to over here, a lot of fish was busting out over here, but it took us a while to actually get over here, so the balls are all gone now. So let's just see if the fish is around and see if they're gonna bite. Oh, look at that big old carp jump. I should get out pretty far here. We're migrating again. Now we're gonna try the top water. Oh, did I get it? I got a bite right there. Wasn't even looking. Bass? I'm always catching bass. It's a green one. Shaker. Oh, calm down, bro. Not exactly what I'm after, but I'll take it. Alrighty. Little guy. Thanks for playing. Right in front of me, right there. There you go. I don't want the one that I saw bust out there looked pretty big. This one's just a little one. Yeah, the one that I saw bust right there was actually a pretty big looking fish, but then I guess this little one wanted it first. Let me let out some line. All right, little guy. Super big striper. This guy's a monster. Oh, it's okay. Easy release. Alright, well, since Justin and Tengs not ready yet, I'm gonna make my way over there first. If I can fish that area over there. Yeah, over here the stripers are busting on bayfish, but like I was saying, they're not bunched up together, so it's kind of hard to get them to bite, especially if they're just chasing after bayfish. They move pretty quick too. Hopefully pretty soon these stripers start bunching up together. Alright, so I made it over here. I'm gonna try back on this area again. Justin and Tengs still over there, so there you go. Yeah, these guys are so huge. As you guys can see, they're definitely starting to roam closer to the shorelines. Right under the jaw. Shakers. Stay still so I can let you go. Right there. these fish over here are hella small. Bottom lip again. Here. Alright, let's try over here, see if anything's over here.